Let's find the rhymes. Do they rhyme? What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same end sound. The words cat, bat, hat all rhyme as they have the same end sound. Now let's see few more rhyming words. Hat, bat. Hat, bat. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Key, dog. Key, dog. Are these rhyming words? No. Mice, tree. Mice, tree. Are these rhyming words? No. Dog, frog. Dog, frog. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Tree, dice. Tree, dice. Are these rhyming words? No. Dice, mice. Dice, mice. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Leg, hat. Leg, hat. Are these rhyming words? No. Bin, pin. Bin, pin. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Peg, star. Peg, star. Are these rhyming words? No. Star, car. Star, car. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Boat, bat. Boat, bat. Are these rhyming words? No. Leg, peg. Leg, peg. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Boat, coat. Boat, coat. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Boat, bear. Boat, bear. Are these rhyming words? No. Sock, spoon. Sock, spoon. Are these rhyming words? No. Spoon, moon, spoon, moon. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Clock, moon. Clock, moon. Are these rhyming words? No. Ball, wall. Ball, wall. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Chair, tree. Chair, tree. Are these rhyming words? No. Moon, mice. Moon, mice. Are these rhyming words? No. Bear, chair. Bear, chair. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Sock, dog. Sock, dog. Are these rhyming words? No. Sock, clock. Sock, clock. Are these rhyming words? Yes. Now let's read a small story for more rhyming words. Let's find the rhymes. There's a snake with a cake by the lake. Snake, cake, lake. There's a dog on a jog in the fog. Dog, jog, fog. In a flash, there's a crash. Flash, crash. And a splash. Then a sound shakes the ground all around. Sound, ground, around. It's the beat of some feet near the treat. Beat, feet, treat. We are in luck, says a duck from the muck. Luck, duck, muck. Dog feels bad. Is snake sad? No, he's glad. Bad, sad, glad. There's a wedge in the hedge by the edge. Wedge, hedge, edge. So they sit and they split the last bit. Sit, split, bit. The end. You can download Kidscademy app from the Google Play Store for more phonics lessons. Thank you for watching.